Here's our take on a spicy noodle chicken stir fry. Go ahead and mix all these ingredients in a bowl, mix well, prep all your veggies, go ahead and cut your chicken, warm up that wok, add the chicken, cook the chicken for about 5 to 6 minutes, go ahead and give that a stir, stir occasionally, salt and pepper. When this is done, you're going to go ahead and drain the juice, set it aside. Next, you're going to add your veggies. Be sure to cook the bell peppers and onions for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then add the rest of your veggies since they cook faster. Go ahead and give that a stir as well. Add the bean sprouts last since they cook the fastest. Add your noodles. Mix that all up. Add about half the sauce. Stir that again. Add some spinach. Add the chicken. Add the rest of the sauce. Stir well. Top it off with some green onions, and you're ready to serve. I like to add hoisin sauce and some sriracha. Enjoy.